Hi guys, we're the band SANAM and we are in Shillong right now for the Cherry Blossom Festival.
How has the experience been in Meghalaya?
I'm very happy to be coming. This is the third day I'm coming. The first day it was a washout. Yesterday I was so happy to catch some of the local acts and of course Hybrid Theory and Neo. And I was really happy actually to watch Snow White. It's so nice to watch our homegrown talent over the years, and they seem to be an iconic band from Shillong.
It's our first time and we've been hearing so much about the Northeast, how much they, listen to us here and our original songs as well. So we're really excited to perform what we've prepared for everybody here.
Have you guys had any fan experience?
Sorry?
Fan experience so far?
Yes, we've had, but mostly we've been resting because we hardly get to rest because of the amount that we travel all over. So yeah.
Are you guys excited to play?
Very excited to play. Super excited. In fact, after a long time, we're so excited here.
There are some songs that we are performing for the first time.
And
About the show?
about the show, what do you feel being here? Like anything?
Oh yeah, this is our first time here, so we're really excited. We just recently found out that a lot of people here listen to our music, and we're also really shocked to hear that they like our originals more than our renditions. So, so we're quite excited to showcase that side of us tonight. And I think we all love the weather here, so it's amazing. And the people are so warm, so it works.
It's so amazing. We just wish, the first day it was raining. Wish that didn't happen because a lot of people suffered because of that. But it is what it is. What can we do? We got to move forward. But it's so well planned otherwise. And we didn't get to explore much because we're not really allowed to go there into the crowd.
We thank you, Roxky, for getting us down, Jason, everybody involved, the Chief Minister, Tourism of Meghalaya, and we're really looking forward to playing in Shillong. Shillong, let's go.
Bye, Meg. Bye, Meg. Yes.
All right, thank you, My Meg, for doing this event and getting the band SANAM down. We're so excited.